If you play badminton, you've heard someone talking about Max Bolt. This is by far the most underrated badminton brand after Apex I've ever played with. Max Bolt basically has 3 series and a few individual models. Let me tell you what each one does and which one is right for you so that you know which model is the best for your game style and which one you should go for. And also, I've been getting few comments in the recent videos that these are sponsored videos, but let me give you one clarification. Recently, a few days back, an incident happened with. Basically, a father had ordered 100 Nitrix 70 Venom from our website. Due to some issues, the order got delayed as logistics still is a major problem which we face for some areas. But nevertheless, sir wanted an open box because he wasn't sure about the genuinity of the products. But since that service is not available and it's fair from his side as well, I requested them, sir, आप मुझे video call कर लेना while you are unboxing the racket in front of me. And somehow I did manage to convince him. Cut to next day, parcel gets delivered and he gives me a call कि sir मेरे पास parcel आ गया है, मुझे आपको video call करना है. So I got on that video call and that sir handed over the phone to his son. And that moment was something which I don't know how to express. You know, the first thing he said, "Arey YouTuber wale bhaiya," and I literally was not able to control my smile. He was no longer excited to see the new racket he had ordered. And he was so happy talking to me कि मैंने आपके सारे videos देखता हूँ, share करता हूँ, आपका video देख के ही मैंने order किया. And that moment I realized if a kid who is just 11 years old is trusting me, a random person on YouTube, and he's able to convince his dad to spend 9,000 on a racket by ordering online. And his father is also trusting by spending this much money on a random online website. Apart from that joy and happiness, I realized it's my moral responsibility. I share my genuine and honest opinions and be very straightforward with things rather than just simply pushing for sales. And that is my whole goal about God of Sports. I won't ever recommend a wrong product till date to my customers. None of my videos till date are sponsored by any brand or company. Whatever I speak and review or test is completely honest and unbiased as we hold all the stock with us. And you know what? Let me show you my warehouse today. So this is my studio setup. Of course, it's not a complete studio. You can see the Indian Jugaad, 2 tables and then the base. These are lights. These are 100 and Max Bolt and leaning rackets over here with their covers. This is a plethora of shoe boxes. Babula, Victor, 100, Yonex, few leaning. This is Nilesh. He's our guy who takes care of the packing and everything. This is our manager, Abhishek. If you see all the trackings you're getting on our website, it's because of him. This is of course some dump because it's a warehouse, it is supposed to be messy. These are the new kit bags we have received from Victor. These are all tennis balls, Slazenger, Technifiber, Dunlop, Head, Wilson. These are few other Yonex and Victor shoes. This is our shuttlecock area. You can see all the shuttles, 350, 100 S40, Champion 1. These are paddle balls, these are pickle balls, these are Apex rackets, these are Fleet rackets, these are of course Yonex rackets. Then these are some accessories, strings. These are all tennis rackets over that side with their covers, Victor rackets, some more shoes, Victor, leaning, 100 Yonex kit bags. This is our kit bag section. This whole cupboard consists of pickleball and paddle products. These are again more shoes by Victor. This is 100 shoes, Race Pro, Quantum, everything. These are some posters which we are thinking of decorating my studio over here, but let's see. So I guess you're getting an idea what I mean to say. Since we sell all the brands, I am never gonna be biased towards any brand. We give equal importance to each and we only recommend what's good for you. So you can be rest assured and you can trust God of Sports. So, as I said, my main objective is not to earn via sponsored deals or anything. My goal is to share my unfiltered, unbiased opinions on products so you don't waste your money. And if someone is trusting me by just watching a video, it is more of my responsibility that your money doesn't go to waste and you never regret trusting me and my platform in any manner. And in case I do a sponsored video ahead, I'll definitely attach a disclaimer for this. But before going ahead, this is again my repeat. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 50,000 subscribers. It really motivates me to create more such amazing and honest content for you guys. Just smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from God of Sports. Also, I'll be doing our first Q&A in some time. So if you have any questions regarding anything, I'm happy to answer that in that Q&A video. You can drop those questions below in the comment section. Now coming back to the video, Max Bolt has primarily 3 series: Gallant, Superstar and Woven. First one is Gallant. This is Max Bolt's attacking flagship series. This is the series that made Max Bolt famous in India. So who's this series for? It's for players who love to smash, players whose technique is solid, and players who want maximum power from the back of the court. If your favorite shot is a picked smash, this is your series. In terms of the performance on the court, the smashes are the whole story. They are powerful, they are direct, and properly satisfying to hit. Drives and flat exchanges are excellent, and defense may take some work because it's a stiff head-heavy racket. And honestly, that's a trade-off for the power. But this is genuinely a tour-level attacking performance at a price no Yonex or Victor flagship can match. In terms of comparison with other brands, it's similar to Yonex's Astrox, Axe Force from Leaning, Nitrix from 100 and Thruster from Victor. 2 rackets to know in Gallant Tour. One is the Gallant Tour Dragon Limited Edition, and this is one of the best sellers. Honestly, the looks is really beautiful. And second one is the Gallant Sakiko, which is a medium flex version and more forgiving. Few other models are the Gallant Tour, which is available in white and black color, and there's Gallant Force as well. Second one is the Woven series. This is the most iconic Max Bolt series, and it's built around a one big idea: durability with all-round performance. So who's this series actually for? Players who want one racket that does everything well, players who play a lot and want a racket that will last, and players who want more of an complete all-round play racket rather than just power or speed. Woven is basically highly recommended for complete all-round play. In terms of the performance, durability is the heading, and it's not a marketing claim. Beyond that, smashes are powerful, controls excellent, drives are solid, and defense is comfortable. There's literally no weak zone. 2 rackets that I would recommend. First one is the Max Bolt Woven Gold. It's one of the best sellers of the Woven series, and it's got good durability and a good all-round performance. The most recommended first Max Bolt for most Indian players who want all-round gameplay. And then there's Max Bolt Black Woven 90 and 60 as well. Each of these rackets are available on God of Sports, and I also have a review ready for Woven Gold. I'll attach the link over here in the top and in the description below. Third one is Superstar, Max Bolt's high tension specialist with that slight elegance in attack. And this is a series most brands don't even have. So who's this recommended for? Players who string at 30 lbs or higher, and if you like the extra sharpness and control you get from a tightly strung racket, this is a series built for that. It's highly recommended for players who want an even balanced attacking racket. So it swings faster than Gallant and it defends better. Think of it as an all-round attacking racket. It's also for players who've been hitting the tension limits of their current racket and want a frame they can string properly high without worrying about breakages. If you want a comparison within Max Bolt, Superstar sits perfectly between Gallant and woven. Two rackets to know. One is my favorite, Superstar 11. So the thing is, it used to come in white color before, but now the white color is discontinued. We've got blue and we've got grey red color. And the other one would be the Maxbolt Superstar 10, which is an more all-round version. Same high tension capabilities, but even more balanced. All these rackets are available on God of Sports, and personally speaking, Superstar 11 is one of the best rackets. I've been using it for more than 3 to 4 years, and it's one of the decisions I've never regretted. So apart from these three main series, there are special models available in Maxbolt. Few of them are silver, Navigator 2, black, metal, and Nether X Lite. I have put up individual reviews of these models. You can check the reviews link placed above here and below in the description. So that's it for today. I hope you have got an idea of which Maxbolt series does what and is suitable for what kind of a player. Give a like if you found this video helpful, and if you have any new ideas of what videos shall I make, dump your ideas in the comment section and I'll try my best to create videos for my lovely audience. And also, if you want any help in finding the next perfect racket for you, drop a comment with your playing style and current struggles. I'll help you find your perfect racket with complete honesty. Till then, keep smashing and keep rocking that badminton court.